Welcome to this week's assembly. I want to say a big well done to all those that completed their Challenge 26 last week, despite the weather. Let's hope next term will bring us some warm sunshine. This morning I have the pleasure of announcing some winners of the GST Book Double Challenge competition that the Trust held on World Book Day. If you remember, you were asked to recreate your favourite book cover as creatively as you can. Now the Trust received 400 entries across the 13 schools and the results have now been sent to us. So we have some awards to present. In the Key Stage 2 category, for third place, we have Blake Fisher and he receives a £15 book token for his creation of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Well done, Blake. In the Key Stage 1 category, we have both Emily and Sophie who were highly commended and they both receive a £10 book voucher with their certificate. So well done, girls. Now moving to the category for nursery and reception, we have with a highly commended £10 voucher for the Singing Mermaid goes to Sophie. Well done, Sophie.
Thank you.
You're welcome, lovely manners. And across all 13 schools, we actually had a first place winner. And this was Layla in reception for her 5 minutes piece in the bath. So if you're not sure what they were, you can go back and have a look on our Twitter and Lordswood Facebook pages. So well done, a £25 voucher for you. So should we give each other a big clap? Well done everyone here. Super effort. Now, everyone else who actually entered the competition and submitted their entries online, please let your class teacher know and we'll present you with your certificates in class. So, congratulations to everyone. Moving on to our attendance results for this week. Top 3 classes. In third place is Year 3 class Larch with 97.5%. In second place, in Year 4, with 97.9% is Elder. And our winners, first place this week, with 99% goes to Chestnut class in Year 2. So well done. Now, over to our nominations for this week for their amazing work.
Morning everyone. For Buster's Book Club this week, I'd like to congratulate Maple Class for their excellent reading. In fact, we had 24 out of the 29 students reaching their reading target and well over 130 extra reading minutes. Brilliant effort. Well done, guys. Well, I've got some amazing news, Larch Class. First of all, a couple of weeks ago, you guys in Larch Class won Buster's Book Club. That is truly amazing. Well done. Lots and lots of reading, and your class reached the total number of minutes, didn't you, that you could possibly do. So, I've got some really exciting news that your class has been sent some books. So, I'm going to give those to you. Okay, and I want you all to enjoy those books that are going to be on your shelf, no one else's, just your shelf. And it says here, you are amazing. Thank you so much for reading so much. This is from Buster's Book Club. And is it okay if you give these books to the lovely children and we're going to say a big well done? So fantastic everybody. Keep up the good reading. Really proud of you all. Well, it's the final Friday of Term 5 and I want to say a huge well done to all those children who have been collecting their house points over the past term, really trying to do their very best, whether it be in school, whether it being on the playground, at home, with your learning or whatever. All those great things get you house points and win you points for this amazing fluffy book. This week, we have the same winner as last week. So a massive well done to Havengore House, who scored a whopping 747 house points. Well done. We'll see if we can catch you next time round, Havengore.